Welcome to WP Pro A to Z Host.com. This is a nice quick video to get you started on logging in and managing your dashboard. Very straightforward process for everything you need here. Once you hit the page, WP Pro A to Z Host.com, you see the login button up in the top right. Just click on that. It takes you to the login screen and to your username and your password, your email address that you set up when you set up the account, and it will get you started right away to get logged into the site. Now you can, if you want, click the Remember Me and it'll leave you logged in for an extended period of time. If you're new and you don't have an account, click the Create New Account button here and follow all the prompts there. Get yourself logged in and you land on your dashboard. This is where you'll find pretty much everything you need. The services you have, any domains you might have registered, any unpaid invoices, tickets that are outstanding and active, all of that stuff here. Your shared hosting service, if you've got one, and you should have one, and the domain your hosting service is attached to. So you can have multiple things going on inside here at one time. So to get into your hosting service, nice and easy way to get about it is click on your hosting service plan here, and it brings you up here, tells you everything about it. It tells you it's got some quick shortcuts, so you can pop right into your cPanel very easily and simply by simply clicking the link here, and it takes and opens that cPanel for you. Once you're in the cPanel, you can get in and go backwards and forwards a few times. Shows you everything you need here. Other aspects of the control panel here, your name servers for your domains, what they should be set at. Create a quick email account. You can do this right quick and simple for your domain and create the quick email account, have it set up. You can also purchase and activate add-ons such as SSL certificates that are above and beyond the free SSL we give you. CodeGuard to help protect your site, and MarketGoo Lite and Pro for managing your SEO and other aspects of your site. Tells you your billing overview, all the different products you have here. Now you can also get to this by going up to the top here and clicking on services. Shows you your services that you have. You can also order new services here by clicking on this and then choosing what additional services you want to order. Managing your account. Over in the top right is your account details, user management. Fix your account details here, go in and adjust them, change them, choose what emails you want to receive, be it the affiliate emails, domains, and more in the website. You can also join the mailing list here by simply saving that, clicking receive the emails and subscribe, and it's wanting a phone number, so we will give that a quick go while we're here. And let's see here. All right. Now we have a phone number for it, for the Sandbox site. This account here will show you many things. I've got much more stuff coming down the line. How to open a ticket, how to respond to a ticket, and more. User management is a useful item. This allows you to create additional users to access your website. You can invite other people to get in here and manage your account. This would be great if you have an accountant that just needs to gain access to certain items, and we will be covering that in more detail in further videos. Payment methods, you can come in here and choose and set and add a credit card so that it's saved for your payment methods. Payment processing is done through Stripe. So we do not hold any contact or payment credit card information on the website. It's all managed through Stripe. Contacts. This is additional contacts you can have on the website. You are default the contact, but you can add additional contacts who should get emails about your account. Account security. And we will be covering this further in another video because it's got more detailed stuff. Email history, if you've, well, these are all the emails that are sent back and forth through the billing software, be it billings, welcome emails, creation of account emails, etc., are all contained in here. and then your profile. And this is where you've got everything you need. So that pretty much covers the login aspects of it. We do have a message up here. You get your credit balance, if you've got a credit balance, etc., etc. All the miscellaneous things on there. Anyway, thank you very much. This has been the intro to using the WP Pro A to Z host.com dashboard. That's all we got. Take care. Bye-bye.